Hi, Adam.
Hi.
What are you opening?
The people.
Little people. And you have a little people house and a little people truck. I think it's loaded by a minis. Yes, it's loaded by a minis, Thomas and Friends. Tank engine.
But he has to go first.
Minis. That's totally wrong. Are they... Aw, don't do that, Adam. So yeah, here we have
We're not together full.
a little people's car loaded with a Thomas engine minis.
No, that is a train.
Yeah.
Open train.
Yeah.
Open this.
Yes, so it's a little people's train. Okay, are you done? I can open it for you.
And the roof. Yes? Wait, I don't know how to put
Okay.
pick up this one too.
What's the color of that?
It's blue.
It's blue.
And this is red.
That's red.
And I don't know.
That one is your favorite color.
But it's not opening.
This is green. This one. And
Yeah.
this is white.
And I don't know how to open it.
You know, you can. Oh, what's the color of that one?
Black.
It's a black.
I don't know how to put the head out.
Okay. You did it on the red one, so you can do it.
But where's the red
So
head?
you can do the
And
rest.
this one. But
Okay.
I just
So,
uh,
can you put it here, the little people's,
yes.
on their house? Yay, yay.
But there's minis. No,
No, no. You have to take it off from there. It's not belong there.
Is there one?
They are belong to the garage.
Oh no! Hello? Hello? We need to get people need to come, cause the head is broken.
Adam, that's
Yeah, first.
yeah.
I'm pulling first.
Okay, let's open the. Close it. Did you hear that?
Okay, well,
It's nighttime when you close that on the left side, and when you open it to the right.
Let's get.
Morning. I can hear something. Okay. Who's that? The little people's
Oh.
in blue.
Ah!
Oh, he's in bed now.
But he has to go back to bed. He has to go back to bed.
Okay. Little people's go back to bed. Ah.
Don't wake him. Okay? Don't
Okay,
wake
then we have to close this because it's nighttime. There. There.
Oh no! What happened? There's
The other one. Here is the other little people. Oh no! How come there's only one eye?
Why? Where? There?
There's two eyes, of course.
I don't know how to take off.
You cover it!
Wow.
You cover it! That's why there's only one eyes! Ha ha ha! I'll do it for you. Okay, hug each other because you are friends.
Okay, I don't want to play.
And the other one wants to play. The black one, right?
I want to play.
Okay. Oh, what happened in there? There's a lot of minis. They should be in the garage, not inside the house.
Okay. I will
Yeah?
I will get
Okay. Let's
There's
put
the puppy
everything in the
cat.
ward.
There's a puppy
Ah.
here. No, there's not a puppy here.
What do you mean?
But the red is hungry.
Oh, the red is hungry and he was on the fridge right now.
Yum, 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 yum. I'm eating all this food. Yum, yum.
Where's the rest? Adam, where's the rest of the little people? I think let's flip over. Let's flip the little people's house.
I got
This is the front. Oh, there's a dog. Look at that. There's a dog. We have to flip it like this.
But Fernand is pulling. You have to pull. Fernand, you have to pull.
Yeah. So this is the back.
I have to use this. Help. No, Henry needs help now.
This is the choo-choo train, right?
But Henry needs help now.
See? What's the color of this one, Balong?
Red.
Red? Okay. And black too.
Henry,
And here is the little people. Come here, anak. Look. Look at what Mama's going to do.
We
Here
are.
is. Look at that. And a choo-choo train. Okay, let's do it this way. Wow. Choo-choo train.
I have a new bit. I have a work for you.
Here, let's look for this one. This is their
But you have a meta
this
chair.
is their little people's garage. Let's put all the minis. Or Thomas and Trains, the minis.
Get out here. Let's go back.
Where are the rest of the people?
There are.
Where are they? The little people.
They're up here.
Okay, bring it here on their train, little people's train. Choo-choo.
But they're not a driver.
Where is the other one?
The other one is.
No, the yellow one. I saw a yellow one, a white one. Yeah, the red one.
That.
The yellow one will go here. Do you have a yellow one?
No.
Oh, I saw it a while ago. Oh, there you go, yellow. Here, he's the driver.
He's not a driver.
Yeah, the driver of the choo-choo train.
No, he's not driver.
Yeah. Come here, let's go up here, all the way up to the land of Sodar.
Oh, but he has to fix the roof first.
Yeah.
Let's fix the roof.
So here are little peoples.
It's done.
Here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there you go. Let's park this one. Let's move the choo-choo train. Aw, look at this. We have a choo-choo train running on the free railway. Ah, don't tell me you're going to fall. Oh my God, look at that.
I'm doing something. What is here? Where are you going?
Ah, why is this one broken now?
Because that's why it's broken.
This is the choo-choo train.
Choo-choo train coming.
Yeah. Oh, it's night. Little peoples have to rest, Adam.
Oh, let's come back.
There they are, they waving.
No, they're going back to sleep.
Yeah, they're going back to their house now.
But they're walking.
There you go.
I don't have to walk the door.
Okay, it's the little people blue one.
But the door is locked. So that's why. Door's locked. The door is locked.
The door is locked?
Yes.
Holy moly.
No.
Okay.
No.
Oh my God, nobody's opening the door.
Okay.
Somebody's ringing the bell. Open it, please. Oh no, there's nobody. It seems that there's nobody in the house.
There's body here.
Yeah.
There's body. Hey,
Oh my God! I didn't know that there's a sound. So this is the little people's train.
I can pick up the green.
See?
We are so unhappy. Okay? I'm the driver. You're not the driver. I'm the driver. Thank you, the driver. I like the driver. Hey, I don't see my feet. Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
I didn't know that there's a sound of this little people's train. Wow, look.
But I want the green one the driver. No, the green is the driver.
Okay, the green is the driver. How come there's no sound anymore? You have to press it, anak. Whoa. Okay, drive it. Drive it. The choo-choo train.
Choo-choo.
Where are we again?
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. That's a good one.
Let's go home. Hey,
Oh,
look.
the green. Oh my God.
Bye-bye. I'll go home.
Go and get it. Go and get it.
He gave me help. Yeah, he gave it.
Oh no, what happened in there? There's a lot of minis. Thomas and Friends minis.
But they're all
They're all
them.
stuck inside the house. Okay, go and grab that train. Little People's train.
Okay, after the fire.
Oh, I like the sound. Press the sound.
Well.
Wow.
Oh, they're ready.
Oh, there's a lot of sound. What are you pressing? Can you show me?
I'm pressing more button.
Show it to
Come on,
them.
bigger,
Here, show it to them. See, there's a button here. When you push it, it will create sounds or music.
Ding dong, ding dong. We have to open the door. Let's go see.
Oh, I like this. Adam, look.
Let's go now.
Adam, look at that, Adam.
What?
Here.
It's not a driver. The great driver is coming. Beep, 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 beep.
That's the Little People's train. Here is the Little People's house. And the choo-choo train. Yes. Wow. Adam, say bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching.